One of the most common FAQs, if you will, frequently asked questions on the internet is what is a first-time home buyer? Very simple. I can explain what it is if you're one and what the main programs are out there. Really not rocket science, and people I think it's more convoluting the more you look on the internet at this information than if you just watch this and you'd kind of know, and then the rest is just, fluff. So a first-time homebuyer, according to Investopedia, is, first of all, thank you for liking, subscribing, and doing all that great stuff. I'm Garrick Wordmuller, Fresh Home Loan Inc., independent mortgage brokers that work for the people. First-time homebuyers, according to Investopedia, the term first-time homebuyer generally refers to an individual who purchases a principal residence for the very first time. The first-time homebuyers often qualify for such special benefits as low down payments, special grants, and assistance with paying closing costs that are sponsored by state and federal governments. Many lenders also offer first-time homebuyer incentives and special loans. Now, this is the definition for a first-time homebuyer, but the truth is, if you haven't had a home in the last 3 years, according to conventional guidelines, you're a first-time homebuyer. Maybe you own a Marriott in Orlando. You're still a first-time homebuyer. You own a strip mall in the Midwest, but you don't own a 1 to 4 primary residence. You're a first-time homebuyer. You can have a 20-story building in Manhattan that you own free and clear, and a Marriott and an amusement park, but if you don't own a 1 to 4 unit property in the last 3 years, you're a first-time homebuyer. All right, so you're a first-time homebuyer. Now, according to this definition, you qualify for state and government assistance, lower down payment, and closing costs. Let's just talk about like the 3 main loans that you can use as a first-time homebuyer. Of course, there might be some other little city loans and things out there, but those kind of come and go. So overall, in general, with healthy markets and money's flowing, there's 3 primary options for the first-time homebuyer. Number 1, we're going to start with VA because I think it's the best loan. However, obviously, you have to be a veteran to qualify. Why do I think it's the best loan? Well, it's 100% financing, 0 down, no mortgage insurance, and the rates are lower than conventional financing. There is an upfront fee on a VA loan. I think it's a little inconsequential given the benefits that you get all around besides that. So VA, I'd say go for it. Second, we've got conventional financing. Usually it's a 3% down loan. I'd say when things get conservative and the markets get weird, like when the pandemic hit or, the financial crisis, down payments were a little more for a short time. But overall, we can do a 3% financing on conventional. There is options where there's monthly mortgage insurance or no mortgage insurance. However, you will have a higher rate with no mortgage insurance, so don't be fooled by that. And lastly, we have FHA, and FHA is a great foot in the door loan. Just about every client I have had do an FHA loan it's really created a phenomenal path of home ownership for them, and we've been able to lower their payments into conventional loans and move up, etc. So FHA is 3.5% down. It has higher debt to income ratios, and typically the interest rates are a little lower than conventional financing, but I will say that to say this, it does have higher mortgage insurance. So it's more expensive upfront in FHA, and it's more expensive monthly than FHA than conventional, and obviously less than VA. So FHA, if you don't get VA or conventional, you go FHA, don't feel bad. It's a great opportunity for you. But those are the 3 biggies, and then usually a lot of these, like in California, we have CalHFA, for example, that allows for down payment assistance. Usually most down payment assistance programs like tier off of one of these 2, 3, but it's usually conventional or FHA. That's in a nutshell what you need to know about you being a first-time home buyer and what loans are out there for you. Most anything else is just going to be kind of a paper chase, if you will, in my experience. Once again, I'm Garrick Wordmuller. Please like, subscribe. I'm here for you. Would love to help you get a loan. I'm in California with an awesome team. We close fast. Rates are there. Pricing's there, team's there. You're going to hear from me. You're going to know what's going on, and we're going to close. Boom. Thank you. I appreciate you. Fresh Home Loan, independent mortgage brokers that work for the people.
Fresh Home Loan Inc. You want mortgage rates without breaking your bank? Well, I got what you need. I'll keep it 100. The very best lender. We sell money, yeah. There's really no equal. Independent mortgage brokers that work for the people. I know that the pandemic's brought many problems. What we offer is better rates.